Hey, what's happening, guys? Taking a step back here. It's just 11:06 in the morning. I'm stepping back and stepping away from my computer. Today hasn't been that great of a day. The market's been really choppy, not much follow through. And while I was making the scans yesterday, I was running the scans. I picked up a couple of names that I wanted to, trade this morning, including Trip Advisor, sees GPS, which is Gap, um, and a few others like OSUR and Sono. A couple of names out there, right? I was looking for possible reversals, long trades, and even here, going back to the earlier times of the day, like I want to show you here how really this has not worked out too great on the follow through on, for example, GPS here, possible reversal here, $10.88, came down, got support at 10.85. I was looking for a possible entry when it was coming down here with a shooting star formation on 1 minute time frame, and it didn't have any follow through. Today's been that kind of a day. I want to show you here exactly what I was looking at. I took a trade on this formation, but really didn't work too great. Look, when he was hovering around these areas, and let me just go back so you can see how everything was looking around here. A little bit of a mess though. I sent a short order at $10.56, looking for the high here, risking based on this high at $10.67 here, thinking that we're going to have some follow through the downside to have a retest of the prior lows here, 1032. And on the daily, I was looking for this to fill this gap here to the downside at $9.66 here. In the pre-market hours, you can see two trend lines here, 1080 and 1050, 15 minutes time frame, hovering and trading inside of the range here. When it actually popped down on a yellow candle, you can see here, which really what this thing indicates as that the volume stepped in over the 50-day moving average. Over the volume step was over the prior 50-day average volume, and it just something that I missed. Very unfortunate. I was talking about it on the Discord group yesterday that I was gonna have to place a position in the pre-market. I was looking for that dip in the morning because I was hoping that yesterday GPS was going to hold the 1080 and break under today, but it didn't happen. It happened yesterday, and so when it happened last night, as you can see here, coming into the market close, he broke that 1080 trend line. And so I told everyone on the group that I was probably gonna have to get a pre-market order, looking for a quick flush in the pre-market hours right out of the gates, and it dipped here to $10.32. Now, if I would have placed my order at 1050 as I was planning, but I waited a little bit too long after the bell rang, it was too late because he had a quick drop to 1044. Then I didn't want to chase, and all of a sudden now in the first 1 minute candle, look, it dipped, it came right back up, and look at how it started to trend. It was just whipsaw all over the place after that. As of right now, I'm looking at how it's looking on the 15 minutes, and based on this, is we having that reversal. I was a little early, but the thing is that today the market hasn't been there. Most of the names have had whipsaws, and even the names that have been gaining today haven't had any kind of follow through, right? So it's just something that hasn't worked out today the way that I expected. If you see here, and I retest a couple of times, coming here, coming up, down, held at 50, up down here, testing that again, 1095, hovering around this area, looking how, I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but you have to wait. I would like to wait for confirmation 1095. The problem is that if it breaks 1095, let's see how far down it's gonna go, because that was prior support here as well. So look, it's printing a hammer on the 1 minute now. It's like the market is just, I don't know, I don't feel the market is there for me today, and I'm stepping away today with a small loser, because on that flush here it held and it came right back up to take me out at the breakout at the $10.67 here. I sent a market order just to bail out of that position, and look at this thing surge up to the 1080 and even close to the 11, and went to 1119 here. So anyway, I just wanted to bring you that small video here to show you guys how my day's been and give you guys the ideas behind my trades today. I'll see you guys later. Enjoy the rest of your day. Happy trading.